One fine afternoon, मैं बोर हो रही थी और मैंने सोचा, why not bake a cake? Let's make this afternoon special. So I stepped into the world of baking and was all set to conquer it with this beautiful bakewares and my master recipe. लेकिन ये नहीं सोचा था कि this process is not so easy. But I didn't give up. Let's do this. Full master chef वाली फीलिंग के साथ अंडे फोड़ दिए. Added baking powder, मैदा and butter. And not to forget some milk. Give it a good smooth mix. Oh, how can I forget? Baking soda and cocoa powder is a must. Mix, and the result was this perfect batter which I poured in this perfect bowl. थोड़ी सी extra special taste के लिए choco chips, that's my favorite. This can never go wrong. Now time to wait for that microwave tick. And here it is. Tempting है ना? But पहले मम्मी को एक पिक्चर भेज देती हूँ. Hey ma, look, I made this. Next time when I come, I'll bake one for you as well. And now it's finally time to taste and enjoy my very first bake. It tastes so yummy.